Songtsen Gampo, the first Dharma king. Long ago, in the 7th century, the majestic mountains of Tibet echoed with the dreams of a young king named Songtsen Gampo. He was destined for greatness, a leader who would unite his people and build a powerful empire. With wisdom and courage, Songtsen Gampo traveled across the land, bringing together the scattered clans of Tibet. His vision inspired them, and soon, a strong and unified Tibetan empire began to form. To mark this new age of unity, King Songtsen Gampo decided to move the heart of his empire to a special place called Lhasa. He knew this land would one day blossom into a center of culture and spirituality. Upon a grand red hill in Lhasa, Songtsen Gampo began to build a magnificent palace, the very first Potala. It stood tall and proud, a shining symbol of his strength and the future of his people. But Songtsen Gampo's greatness was not only in power. He looked beyond war and politics, seeking wisdom from distant lands. He welcomed Princess Wencheng from China, who brought with her rich traditions and new ideas. Soon after, Princess Brikuti arrived from Nepal, bringing with her the serene teachings of the Buddha. Through these two wise princesses, the first precious seeds of Buddhism were gently planted in the heart of Tibet. The people of Tibet embraced these new teachings, which spoke of kindness, peace, and understanding. Temples began to rise, and the gentle whispers of Buddhist prayers filled the mountain air. Understanding that a nation also needed words to endure, Songtsen Gampo commissioned his scholars to create the Tibetan script. This gift allowed his people to preserve their wisdom, prayers, and history for all time. With their own written language, the stories of Tibet, the teachings of the Dharma, and the wisdom of generations could now be shared and cherished by everyone, from the youngest child to the oldest elder. Songtsen Gampo was remembered not only as a mighty king, but also as a Dharma protector. His vision built the foundations of Tibet's spiritual and cultural identity, a legacy that continues to shine brightly for centuries to come.